I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam content file locked error message. First thing you want to do is head on down to the search bar at the bottom and type in network reset and then click this. In this window, just click the reset now button, which will reset your network setting. Close that window and open the search again and type in CMD, right click on it, and then click run as administrator. Here type in net sh space winsock space reset and then press enter. Once you've done that, close this window and then restart your PC. Once your PC has restarted and you're back, head on down to the search bar again, type in Steam, right click on it, and then click run as administrator. This should now have fixed your issue. If you're still facing a problem, the last thing you can do is head on down to the taskbar here and look for any antivirus software or additional firewalls that might be causing an issue, and either momentarily disable them or set a rule that Steam and all of Steam's folders are allowed free access through your firewall or antivirus. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.